In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your cart on Shopee, which is a popular online shopping platform in the Philippines. Our journey today takes us from the initial login to the final step of checking out. This smooth and straightforward process will help you with your online shopping, ensuring you can easily purchase your desired items. First, let's navigate to the Shopee Philippines website. This is your gateway to a plethora of items waiting to find a place in your home. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take us to the next step. For a more seamless experience, Shopee allows you to log in using your Google account. So, upon clicking login, select the Google option to proceed. This feature is quite handy as it simplifies the login process, eliminating the need to remember another password. After selecting to log in via Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you wish to use for Shopee. It's essential to choose the account you're most comfortable with, especially if you have multiple accounts for personal and professional use. Following your account selection, you'll be prompted to click Continue. This will officially log you into your Shopee account, bringing you one step closer to making a purchase. Now for the fun part, shopping. Type in the name or description of the item you're looking for in the search bar. Shopee's search bar is quite intuitive, offering suggestions as you type, making your search experience smooth and efficient. After you've found your item, it's time to choose a variation. This could refer to different sizes, colors, or models, depending on the item. It's important to carefully select the variation that best suits your needs to avoid any disappointment upon receiving the item. Once satisfied with your choice, proceed to add the item to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. This option is clearly visible, usually located right below the price and variation selection. Adding an item to your cart doesn't mean you're obligated to buy it right away. Think of it as saving it for later, giving you time to decide or look for other items. When you're ready to review your selected items, navigate to your shopping cart by clicking on the cart icon, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. This is where you can see all the items you've considered for purchase. Inspect your shopping cart carefully. If you're satisfied with your selections, proceed to click on the box beside your item, Sell Ease, and then on Checkout at the bottom of the page. This action takes you to the final step, where you'll confirm your shipping details, choose a payment method, and finalize your purchase. Remember, shopping on Shopee is not just about clicking through, it's about making informed choices. Always read product descriptions, reviews, and shop policies. These steps ensure a happy and secure shopping experience, where you get precisely what you need without any surprises. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully added an item to your cart on Shopee, and you're ready to check out. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're shopping for necessities or looking for something to brighten up your day, knowing how to navigate and use Shopee efficiently can make your online shopping experience much more enjoyable. Happy shopping!